I'm Jenny Moon. I'm a screenwriter and a graduate of Aberystwyth University. It's just an extraordinary honour to have had my work recognised by the university where I studied, and such a fantastic university for the arts. Certainly at the time I was here, it was a very, very active drama department. There were a lot of productions. I was involved in gaining a lot of practical skills as well as academic skills. And I think it's that balance really that's been crucial to me in my career later. It's the breadth of the education that I got while I was here that really made it possible for me to move from theatre into television, to try different roles, to find the career that suited me, really. It's an extraordinary field to work in. It's great fun. It's very, very hard work, of course, and very competitive. But just get out there and enjoy yourselves and do what you want to do, I think.